I would start off by saying, okay, how am I going to deal with this sine 7 theta thing? The way I'm going to deal with that is I'm going to rewrite it as sine theta to the 7th power, just like we did with chain rule for derivatives, and then the cosine theta d theta, and then the integral. Now, once you rewrite that power, I think it's going to become very clear to you what to actually do, because now we have parentheses, so we're going to use our u as that quantity in parentheses. So our u will be sine theta. Remember, derivative of sine theta is cosine theta d theta. Okay, so here I'm going to start, and again, like this is our little key to life here, u and d u. So I start with just the u. I say, okay, all this sine theta business becomes u to the 7th. And you can do this as 2 separate steps. So figure out about what happens with your u, and then figure out what happens with your du. So the cosine theta d theta, that is going to become your du. So you have u to the 7th, du is what you are integrating. So at this point, the integral is completely in terms of u. So now we are ready to integrate. So when we integrate, we add. So we're going to add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent. Because there are not bounds, we add the plus c. Now, once I integrate, I then need to switch back to the original variable that I had. So I will use this definition of u is equal to sine theta, and in for u, I will plug in the right-hand side, the sine theta. So this will become sine theta to the 8th power over 8 plus c. Now, do keep in mind you could leave it like that, but the convention is when you have this notation that that's really this, and that's usually the convention for how we notate that power of 8. Okay, so that's our final answer.